Hi, this is Rob Chisholm. We're at High and Over today. It's on a Wednesday, Simon? Yeah. A dustbin day, in fact. And it's quite nice. Let's give it a quick 360. What it's like around here. Glider coming in over there. Not particularly thermic, but it's happening. There's Dean Bird, just over there. Simon's out today. Man of leisure, and it's pleasant. Okay, Dean Bird coming into land. Mr. Bird. It's just about. Oh, he's going to hit the ground, I think. Not hard though. Oh, it's off. It's all on video though. Well done. Hooray! Vale.